These are the 4 onions that you see in the supermarket that you generally have to decide which one you want to buy to use for whatever you're making. This is a yellow onion, and this is usually the cheapest onion that you'll see in the store. And this here is good for everything. This is your workhorse onion. This is the onion, this is the ultimate onion. This here is a sweet onion. It is a lot like the yellow onion. They're interchangeable, really. This one is a little more sulfurous. This is a little sweeter. Here they're both kind of roundish. Sometimes you'll see them, they're very oval shaped. They're great for caramelizing, they're great for cooking. This one here, you know, supposedly it's better to eat raw if you want to slice and put it on a hamburger. I'm fine with this one. If you want to eat a raw onion, this is the one you want to eat. This is a red onion. You know, a lot of times you'll see these in salads. A lot of times you'll see these on sandwiches. This is the onion that you want to go to if you want to eat it raw. And the last onion is the white onion. I never buy a white onion. It's not any different than these other onions. It's used in salsas, it's used in cold preparations or hot preparations. They're not the cheapest onion. When you see onions, they're for sale, you know, in like 3-pound bags, 5-pound bags. But sometimes I'll buy onions individually. I'll just pick and choose and bag my own onions because I want to get different sizes. Because once you cut an onion, it gets stronger. So if you just use half an onion, the next day the other half might not be as friendly. I could talk about a shallot, but I'm too cheap to ever buy a shallot. If you're going to buy a shallot, if you're one of those people, then congratulations. Buy a yellow onion or a brown onion. Ignore all the other ones unless you're feeling fancy pants, because this is the best deal and this is the best onion.
Chef Buck El Cheapo.